Welcome back. Goans working on board have expressed anguish as they are not allowed to take their family members inside port. A cruise liner is expected to anchor at the MPT. Members of Goan Seamen Association of India met South Goa MP Narendra Savoykar with their plight. They have demanded government to appeal the MPT officials to allow the family members of seamen to visit the men at the port. Visitors are not allowed to visit the port due to security reasons.
एक आमकां रिक्वेस्ट आहा अराउंड 100 गोंयकार काम करताय तेम आमकां लेटर बरयल्या टू द गव्हर्मेंट टू आस्क फॉर हेल्प. आयज आमी आख्या संवसारा भोंवताय, आख्या संवसाराक फॅमिली येवपाक अलाउड करता कंपनी नो प्रॉब्लम, बट लोकल ऑथॉरिटी ऑल्सो हॅव नो प्रॉब्लम. बट ओनली इन इंडिया बेसिकली गोवा आतां आमकां गोंयचे दे आर नॉट अलाविंग. सो ते आमकां तारोडी डिसअपॉयंट जाले. आयज इतले वर्सान ते इतले म्हयने ते बोटीर रावताय. आयज एक पयलीं गोंयां बोट येनासले, आतां जायत भरपूर गोंयां बोट येताय. एक फॅमिलीक एक ल्हान भुरग्याक आपणागे धेडी गेली एक बोट चोवपाक, एक बायलेक आपणाक घोवा मेळपाक, एक आपणागेली मांयक पायक जाणटेल्यांक एक आस आहलोली बोट हितू बोगले येता जाल्यार तुमी कितें अलावड कोनाय. सो वी आर आस्किंग द गव्हर्मेंट. आय एम रायटिंग अ लेटर टू द साउथ गोवा MP विच आय ऑलरेडी स्पोक टू हिम. हांव उलयलें ते कडेन. बोट आमगेली थोड्या दिसांनी येता एक बोट आनी तीच बोटीक लागून दुसरेय बोटींक लागून जाता तितले बेगीन तुमी मुर्मुंगा पोर्ट ऑथॉरिटीक तुमी इंस्ट्रक्ट करचें. तुमगे कितें रुल्स एंड रेग्युलेशन आहाय वी आर रेडी टू फॉलो. सेक्युरिटी रिजन चॅकींग करपा जाय, चॅकींग कोराय.
Two days Realtors Expo is organized by Goa Timeline in Madgaon at Ravindra Bhavan. This is a platform for buyers to seek their dream house or an apartment under one roof. Topmost builders participated in the expo along with financial firms to provide loan assistance. Sunday is the concluding day of the expo, so don't miss the opportunity.
This is the 11th property exhibition what we are having in Goa all put together, and this exhibition is open from today, that is 14th to 15th, today and tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, from 10 AM to 9 PM. All the top builders of Goa are here. We request the general public to make best use of this exhibition and own their dream house here.
Prominent names at the exhibition are Cityscape Developers, Urban Alchemy, Prabhudesai Realtors, Crossroad Realtors Private Limited, Saket Builders, In Orbit Malls Private Limited, Saraswat Bank, Cement and Metal Craft, Goa Property for You, Woodbine Hill Residences and A.N. Kumar. Sunday is the concluding day of the Builders Expo. Reporter Savidais for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.